In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix tables in Google Docs that don't print correctly step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Google Doc that has the table you want to print or save as a PDF. Now here's where most people make mistakes. By default, Google Docs may not format tables correctly for printing. This can cause rows or columns to get cut off. Next, check your table size. Make sure none of your rows or columns are wider than the page margins. If they are, shrink them slightly so everything fits. Now here's something many people don't know. Google Docs sometimes adds extra spacing or hidden padding in tables. To fix this, right-click your table, select Table Properties, and adjust the cell padding to 0. Another important tip is to check your page setup. Go to File, Page Setup, and make sure your page size and margins match your document needs. Standard size like letter or A4 usually works best. Also, if your table is very long, try splitting it into multiple tables instead of one huge table. Google Docs handles multiple tables much better when exporting to PDF. Once everything is set, try printing or downloading your document as a PDF again. Your table should now display perfectly. And that's it. You've just fixed a common Google Docs table printing problem. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs tips.